Today, we will discuss Medallia and Qualtrics. Both platforms are essentially made to assist businesses in comprehending and enhancing experiences of their clients and staff. To increase happiness and loyalty, they offer resources for data analysis, feedback collection, and action. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Medallia, a real-time feedback collection and analysis from a variety of sources including social media, online reviews, and face-to-face interactions is highly valued at Medallia. It is intended for businesses that must react rapidly to client feedback. Medallia's platform is made to give businesses a thorough understanding of the customer experience, allowing them to pinpoint and resolve issues. Qualtrics is renowned for its solid market research foundation and extensive survey capabilities. It provides advanced analytics for analyzing the collected data in addition to a large selection of tools for designing and distributing surveys. It's great for supporting truly in-depth research projects. All in all, it's important to understand that both Medallia and Qualtrics are strong platform in the field of employee and customer experience management. They also differ in a few key ways. Despite these differences, Medallia and Qualtrics have a number of fundamental similarities, especially with regard to their overarching objectives and core features.